So here are the house details in case anyone wanted to know. We have a common area, the kitchen, the living room, and then this house came with 3 bedrooms. So the first one had 2 doubles with its own bathroom, and it was on the first floor, and then the second floor had the master, which was a king with its own bathroom. And there's also kind of like a common area for the other houses in the Airbnb location. So we had like a pool, and then we had our own private pool on top. And my room was a queen bed with its own bathroom. And yeah, the place was amazing. Highly recommend it, and I'll put it in the description box below. Okay, so on one side we have all the empty bags. We got 3 towels. They also gave like a lot of towels. There's more in the bathroom. And then I have all the PJs and underwears over here, and then all the bathing suits and swim stuff over here. It's not a lot, honestly. And they gave us 2 extra pillows. Here you got my makeup, mirror, light, and skincare box. And then on the right side, we have all the going out outfits. Got the bags, the skirts and bottoms, and then the jeans and tops. And then I got the jewelry over there. Underneath, we have all the shoes. Okay, so that is the right side. Ta-da! Left side of the bed, we got my book and iPad. And then right side of the bed, we have my camera, my hand cream, my earphones, and my glasses. And I kept my bonnets and scarves in this little box thing. It's kind of cute. My body care is at the top. And then at the bottom, we have all of my camera gear and extra wires, cords, etc. We got a tripod over there. And then my wallets are on top because they're to go. I wanted to leave the bathroom as clear as possible. Towels that are hung here, I'll use them as hand and face towels because I'll keep the towels where I left them. I have my robe, which I brought. I wanted to leave the counter clear. My face and teeth stuff are over here, and my hair stuff are over here. All the extras are at the bottom. Ta-da! Done. So recap, we landed. I left my phone on the bus and I had like a minor panic attack. It didn't show on the outside, but on the inside I was really like, okay, no, like this is not how you start a trip. But the bus driver had it. He found it and he kept it for me. And I gave him a big hug. I think he was a little bit like, whoa. Because I gave him a big hug and he was like, the room was insane, guys. The room was insane. So I'm an unpacker by nature. I just love unpacking and laying things out and feeling organized and feeling like Yeah, I lived here for a couple of days. It took us like 2 hours to figure out where this place was because the Airbnb was supposed to pick us up, but because the bus shuttle came late, we ended up having to taxi. And the taxi guy that we found was like super sweet. He didn't try and rip us off. The price that the Airbnb people gave us was way more expensive than the price he gave us. So we took down his info. His name is Miguel. I think this is gonna be the one and almost only time, maybe there'll be a couple of other times, but it's gonna be one of the only times where I really sit and have like a diary entry or a talk, because I do think that for me to truly be in the moment, for me to truly be amongst the others, I can't really be doing this. Like, granted, right now we all have our own room, so we're all secluded to get dressed, but we're gonna be together, so I can't really do this often, nor do I really feel like I want to. All down there, so I need to run. Music. Oh, baby.
Funner every round.
Remember, the fact that I have this in my cart, I'm not shuffling anymore, I don't care.
Yeah, I don't think you should. Friendly advice, stop shuffling my card. I still want to move it, and I'm in. Shit on it. You can't stop something out of someone's head.
I know that's right. Look at my girl. 8 down. Yeah.
We survived the hurricane.
Wow.
Beryl made landfall north of TULUM as a Category 2 storm with winds of 110 miles per hour. Here's the track update for the National Hurricane Center.
Wave. C'est ce qu'il voulait. I'm not trying to die in Mexico. Like you can see.
Yeah, how blue it is. I want to go though. I really want to So I don't know. It's probably gonna be a night in. No, not probably. It's absolutely 100% gonna be a night in. That's the situation right now. I love this place. This place is amazing. This place is a 10 on 10. This place is beautiful.
Tú sabiendo que mi alma se moría con amigos en 3 copas frías, la ambición, delirio de grandeza hizo en mí un ser martirizado porque estaba locamente enamorado. Mujer, yo no merezco esta bajeza. Espero con el tiempo justiciero que retornes, busca.
Oh, guys, we had a time. We had a time. Like, it wasn't really. It was just a good, solid trip. That's all I can say. I felt like this was a little bit different than other vlogs that I've seen for girls trip vlogs. Especially, like I said before, if you're trying to actually be in the moment during the trip, it's going to be quite hard for you to have a tripod in your face, a selfie stick in your face, camera in your face all the time. So I understood that it wasn't going to be a long vlog, but I really liked that. And I think I'm going to do that every single time I travel. Whatever I got is what I got. It could be a 5-minute clip. It could be a 5-minute vlog in total. Speak English, bro. It could be a 20-minute, it could be on 1 hour, depending on how long I'm there for and how much I was able to capture. But yeah. So that was Tulum, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.